for limited time. What are you waiting for? It's free. Get the full version and unleash laser mayhem for half of the price. I'm not joking, this discount is not forever.